This is John. Uh-oh, what was John's mistake here? Always tie back long hair when using the lathe. Let's try again. This is Jacob. Uh-oh, what went wrong? Always wear closed-toed shoes and keep earbuds out while using the lathe. Third time's a charm. This is Jonathan. Uh-oh, what could Jonathan have done better? Never wear baggy, long-sleeved clothing while using the lathe. Hoodie drawstrings can also get caught. Maybe we'll have better luck this time. This is Janice. Uh-oh, not another one. Let's learn from Janice's mistakes. Never wear necklaces that could get caught when using the lathe. Okay, I promise, this is the last time. This is Jeremiah. Uh-oh, no more playing piano for Jeremiah. What could he have done to prevent this incident? Never wear gloves while using the lathe. Now let's try one last time. Long hair tied back, check. No sweatshirts with baggy sleeves or drawstrings, check. No earbuds, check. Closed-toed shoes, check. Let's not forget that necklace or those gloves. I think we're ready to go. We've taken care to make sure we're not wearing anything that could cause us bodily harm. One last thing, always remember to wear safety glasses. Great job. Now we're all set to use the lathe.